How to make a playlist on TikTok. To get started, open up the TikTok application. You will then be taken to this home page. Once you're here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom. Then tap on the menu at the top right corner. After that, select the Settings and Privacy option. Once you are in, scroll down to the bottom and tap Report a Problem. Then you need to tap on the Creation section. Now select Other from the menu. Once you are here, select the Other option. Then go to Need More Help. You'll be taken to the TikTok support page. Here you need to place a feedback regarding the issue you're facing. You can attach a photo along with it. TikTok support team will get back to you shortly. TikTok doesn't have this feature available right now, but they might give you a relevant solution to the problem. So you can't really make a playlist on TikTok at this moment, but you can surely ask for help from TikTok regarding the issue.